Hi fam, welcome back to my channel and very good afternoon. I thought I would not record a video today, but the reason for recording this video is to share some of our experiences that happened with us today. So yes, Shashi, could you please share your experience, how it sounded and all that?
In the morning today, we started off from Hubli, and right after we leaving the hotel, we were soon stopped by the police, and everybody were carrying all the paper documents, and the best part about it is we were carrying hard copies of everything, and there was only one bike which had no pollution. The reason why we did not carry a pollution certificate is because the bike is eco-friendly. So let's not negotiate in that point. It's okay, we understand the rules in other states. We were ready to pay the fine, and the policemen have written the challan and given us the receipt. In the receipt it was written that the challan was off.
You can clearly see, guys, it's 500 and
only.
Yeah.
And it is the receipt of 2019.
Yeah.
Not even 2021.
If you see the date, the receipt is of 2019, and he has written 500 only, but he has charged rupees 1000.
He is not charged. He demanded to pay the $1000.
And the reason he gave us is, this is a shortcut, a way to give the money. If you want, you can go to court. That will take more time, and that they will charge you more money. This was
we
the
were
reason.
ready to go to the court, but what the thing is, we don't have enough time. Like we don't have the leaves for everyone. So by thinking of everyone's convenience, we just gave him the cash, and we just left
There is
from
no
there.
other option for us.
And they were covering their batches. They just raised their flaps up. The names were not seen. He has recorded a short video which we will put in this video, but thing which happened with us is really unfortunate, because if you clearly see, it's a old receipt, and it is clearly written here that the amount taken is 500, but he charged us 1000 rupees.
And moreover, he didn't even return for what he charged for. He charged for no pollution, right? He didn't even mention that.
Yeah.
He mentioned that not proceed document. Is this the way?
Chalo guys, this is all that happened today, and we were stopped here due to some issue with the bikes, and so today was really too adventurous, and I can't tell you everything on this video because I thought there would be nothing to show you, but there was pretty much that happened today. You were not expecting this at all. Sai Kiran's tire got punctured, and we did replace the tube, which was around 900 bucks. But after which we went just 1 kilometer ahead, and we saw the tire was flattened again. Chitti.
Hey guys.
Just we ordered a fish fry.
We have completed it, and we had our lunch here, and we are now leaving. It's around 5ish in the evening, so chalo, see you on the bike. Chalo, as I have told, I don't wanted to record this video because, as you all know, this is a return journey to my home. There will be nothing much to show, but we got busted for all the 3 times for continuous 3 days.
And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind.
The video that I will post in the last would be a traffic police interaction. I told I have the pollution as well, but he was refusing to show it. He is telling that the pollution of this bike is not valid, but I do have pollution if. And one of the bike was BS6 compliant, and it was on the RC clearly stating this is an BS6 vehicle. But then as well he refused to agree that it is eco-friendly, and he started doing the cop thing, and he was telling it was 2000 if you go on court and all that. Google is showing this one, so we took this. The Google map showed us a different route, so we took a right and we got completely in a different route. But this route is in the top notch compared to the road on which we came. It was taking us through all the villages and all, but this is a proper highway, and it is 5 kilometers less compared to that way. Guys, if you are coming from there, from Karnataka, please skip this road. We have at least 3 kilometers of off-roading in this road. The roads are completely gone. We are currently driving on this muddy road, which is we are doing this since a couple of kilometers. Don't know when this is gonna end. So yeah, लिखो भाई को phone. And guys, you can see we have given 1000 rupees and the chittis were only for 500, and I do have pollution, but the traffic police is still filing.